we'll be looking into how to use Apache Spark for data related operations and data analytics operations on large data sets. So currently I'm using a large employees data set, which is a sample data set. So as you can see, this is the data set of around 10 lakh rows, and it's an employees data set having multiple parameters like name, age, city, salary, department, number of years of experience, job title, performance score, and if the employee is bonus eligible or not. So these are the main two imports which are required for performing operations on data using Apache Spark. So first we'll open the command prompt and we'll move to the place where, rather the drive where Spark has been installed. Now we'll move to the bin folder and spark shell. So Spark can be used using PySpark also, so that you can write code in Python which runs on Spark. But I'll be showing using Scala, which is the language in which Spark has been written. So I'll be writing code in Scala on the command prompt. So the session has initialized and now we can paste the two imports. So we have imported both, and now first we'll start by loading the CSV. So it'll take some time because it's a huge CSV, but it's relatively very quick. So it's done. Now let's just print the schema. So as I showed you previously, the name, age, city, all the parameters are being shown here and their data types. Now we'll see some sample data using the data frame which we created. Now we'll look into the statistics using the dot describe method, which will show us the mean, median, minimum value, maximum value. So yeah, so that's the count, mean, standard deviation, min, max for various parameters. Now let's look into some aggregations like average salary and performance by department of the employee and the city of the employee. So this will be done using the group by command on department and city and then aggregating based on the average salary, which will be shown as column name average salary and performance score as average performance and the total count. Hence we are using count star, and that will be the number of employees. And finally we'll order by in descending order by the average performance and average salary after the performance. So yeah, and now let's display the top 20 rows. So yeah, we can see the department, city, average salary, average performance, and the number of employees. Now let's look into bonus eligibility distribution by department. So first we'll store it into a bonus stats variable, which will be calculated based on group by department and if the employee is bonus eligible or not, and taking the total count and grouping it by department and if it is eligible, if the employee is bonus eligible or not. If yes and no, we'll take in the whole count and fill in null values, zero values. And now let's print. So yeah, the department bonus yes and bonus no. So now let's adjust the salary with a 20% bonus for all eligible employees, those who have a bonus eligibility. This will be done using the with column method. So we'll adjust the salary when bonus eligible is yes and we'll update it as salary into 1.2, so that is 20% hike. Otherwise we'll just keep the value as per in the column salary. And now let's print. So yeah, this is the adjusted salary for the top 10 rows. So now let's rank employees by the performance within the department and city. So again we'll be using the dot order by and dot with column. So we have defined both, and now let's use it. So as this is a sample data set, we have similar values. Now let's plot the correlation between experience and salary using the dot core method. So here is the correlation. Now let's segment based on the age group. So we'll get the output as, for each age group we'll have a salary output. And now let's print salary by average age group. We'll group by the age group and aggregate according to the salary. So yeah, for each group we have the average salary. So using Apache Spark we can perform analysis very quickly on a large amount of data as seen in the video. Thank you.